Hello, beloved, and welcome to another sound healing ceremony session today. The topic or the focus and the intention for today's ceremony is going to be on releasing the imprint of past pain and trauma. Releasing the imprint of past pain and trauma on a physical level where it may be stored in the body, on an energetic and vibrational level as well. So if this sounds like something that resonates, that will serve you, you found the place to be, and I hope this helps you in some way, large or small. You can listen to this at any time. It's not required to merely only use this when it's the day it's put out, but while I'm recording this, it is the final days in the Chinese astrology of the snake, the year of the snake. And I believe it's the 17th. Yeah, the 17th, I believe we'll be moving into the year of the fire horse. So I really felt drawn to sit with and work with the blessing and the beautiful medicine that the snake has to offer before we valiantly go forward towards the new, when it can be difficult to embrace the new or take action moving forward, when there may be some big or small pieces or fragments of ourselves, of our psyche, of our emotional body and being that is being pulled or dragged down into old ways of being because of how it's been programmed as a result from past pain and trauma. So today we just wish to alleviate that and to open it up, transmute it, and release. Take it off, lighten our load, alchemize it into whatever it is that would best serve you. So I will stay quiet while you create your own intention for this energy, for this ceremony. And as you do that, I will create a sacred circle around us now. Beautiful. Thank you. Now I will ask for a divine blessing to the divine infinite creator, divine father, divine mother, to the holy angels and spiritual helpers and guides of the greatest and highest good, to my beautiful and beloved ancestors who resonate deeply with this intention of healing, of growth, of moving forward, of releasing the pain and the trauma from the past and how it has been imprinted on the collective, in the psyche, in the body, on an energetic, emotional, and spiritual and psychological level. May we release and move forward and through, so we may regain our lightness of being, so we may better and more open-heartedly accept and embrace the new. In full faith, so be it, so be it. And so it is, so it is, so it is. Now may we begin. ayuno ayananta iyo ayatrashtanta kaiwa ayanantu eu hayanantra istu inkul ayanantra istu ayananta kaya hayanantra pakai ayanantra pakaiwa ayanantra stai istu ayuno ayanantra pakaiwa. pokuius doiunu ayanantrapakai Eunu euna ayanantrashtai ayanantrapaka Ueu Hey, 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 ooh, 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 No more fear. Hayanandra istueunu koeunu ayanandra pakaiwa. Hayanandai ayanandrastai. Hoeunu to koeunu ayanandrastaiwa. Hayono eo. Hayono eo. Yuno eo. Hayanandrastai. Hayanandrastai. Hayanandra pakai stuinu ayanandra pakai wa. Hayanandrai ayastuinu ayandra pakai wa. Hayanatakai ayatrain stuiwa. Thank you, beloved. I believe that's all that wishes to come through for today's ceremony. I hope you feel a bit lighter, less burdened, more peaceful, less fearful, more engaged in the direction of where you wish your life to head, that which you are becoming, and that which you long and were born to do. May you be free from fear and dispel any negativity that wishes to cling or nuzzle its way into your mind, your body, your energy, your spirit. May you be fully and completely protected. Just wishing to fill your being with some codes of light for divine blessing and protection over your energetic field. For you have now released more deeply any pain and trauma. And in those voids, may we fill and nourish them and replenish them with the divine, with peace, with joy, with happiness, and with the lightness of being. May it spread and shine through your essence, your energy, your being, and your spirit. May your mind and psyche be soothed. May your heart be at peace and shine radiantly. May your spirit feel excited and passionate for what is to come now that you have let go. I thank you, beloved. May we give thanks. Thank you, thank you, thank you to the divine, infinite creator, divine father, divine mother, holy angels, spiritual helpers and guides, and my ancestors, for all those who came forward to help the collective today. We thank you in full faith. So be it, and so it is, and so it is, and so it is. Closing the sacred circle now. Beautiful. May you go and be at peace, and I will see you soon.